Tonight is the first night of Hanukkah. This festival commemorates the victory of the Maccabees over the Persian Syrians during the 2nd century BCE. And we're told by the rabbis in the Talmud that there was in fact an additional miracle, and that is that oil that was only meant to last for one day, fueling the menorah in the ancient temple, in fact lasted for 8 days. Hence the called the shamash, or helper, or attendant light. And the reason for having the shamash is twofold. First of all, it lights the other lights. And secondarily, we're also told that we're not meant to use the lights of Hanukkah to work by or to read by, so thus we have the shamash. I think it's interesting that the festival of Hanukkah falls during the year when the days are at their very shortest. Indeed, in 2 days' time, it will be the winter solstice. Perhaps during this time when people traditionally may want to stay more in the we have this holiday which unites us as a community, which brings additional light into our lives. Please join us at our congregation this Friday evening at 7:30, where we will be Hanukkah lighting. Please bring your own Hanukkah. I'm looking forward to welcoming you then. Happy Hanukkah.